Miso. You hear this when talking about cooking, Japanese menus, and grocery shopping. Miso. 料理の話や和食のメニュー、スーパーでの買い物でよく使うよ。This word is used as a noun. Miso is a fermented soybean paste used as a seasoning or base for marinades, and by extension, it can mean the key point or crux of something. 発酵させた大豆のペーストで料理の味をつけたり、漬け込みのベースにしたりするもの。比喩では物事の要点、大事なところという意味にもなるよ。The first kanji means taste and flavor. You see it in aji and ajimi. It often appears in words about sensing food. Think of it as the idea of how something tastes. The second kanji is mainly used for the food name. You will notice it in miso shiru and misozuke. It shares a mouth-related feel and works like a sound part here. Just remember, it helps spell miso in food words. This miso is sweet. この味噌は甘いです。この味噌は甘いです。I bought miso at the supermarket. スーパーで味噌を買いました。スーパーで味噌を買いました。Add the miso to the pot and dissolve it well. 鍋に味噌を入れてよく溶かします。鍋に味噌を入れてよく溶かします。Our miso is from Hokkaido. うちの味噌は北海道のものです。うちの味噌は北海道のものです。The most common synonyms of the word are 調味料 and 味噌だれ。調味料 is a broad term for any seasoning, while 味噌だれ is a specific sauce made from miso. They overlap when talking about flavoring food. The most common antonyms of the word are 醤油 and shio. They are not true opposites, but different basic seasonings. 醤油 is liquid and shio is mineral, while miso is a thick fermented paste.